HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, fancy a cuppa? Ooh, looks lovely to me. Let's draw. We're going to do a lovely teacup with a heart in the middle. Doing the outside of the cup and the handle and the saucer now. Inside and outside rings. Brilliant. Teapot lid. The main body. Let's do the handle. And the spout. And the bottom. And some heart details in the middle to match our heart on the teacup. Aww. Don't they look just like the teapot and the teacup from Beauty and the Beast? Do you remember? Mrs. Potts, the teapot, and Chip, her son, was the teacup. Oh, but Chip had a little chip inside. Okay, going for brown for the inside of our teacup. Could be hot chocolate if you'd prefer. Red for the handle and the heart. And yellow for the main part. Lovely. How about pink for the inside of the saucer? Yes, and what colour should we do the outside? How about blue? Oh, that does look lovely, doesn't it? Now for the teapot, yellow for the lid. Lovely, matches the teacup, you know. And blue, that matches the outside of the saucer. Yes. And how about some pink? Brilliant, I love this matching set. Carefully painting around your love hearts. Almost there. And done! Let's go for yellow for the hearts. Oh, lovely. And green for the spout. Why not? Fantastic. And the handle too. And we're done. There you have it. Go on, have a cup of tea. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle and here is my spout. Hey kids, fancy some milk and cookies? Oh, I do love it at bedtime. Start with a circle for the cookie and a smiley face. Rosy cheeks. And of course, don't forget the chocolate chips. Or are they raisins or Smarties? What do you want on your cookie? It's all up to you. Little arms and legs. And next to it, a glass of milk. Yummy milk, good for the bones, you know. Smiley face there too. And some hands and legs. And did you know that cookies and milk are best friends, so they're holding hands? Darkening up the border to make our colours stand out. Ready to paint. Okay, let's go for brown for our cookie, because our cookie is a chocolate cookie. Yummy, yummy. What's your favourite cookie? Do you like chocolate chip? Do you like Nutella cookies? How about vanilla cookies? Have you even tried fudge caramel cookies? Or mint choc chip? Even better. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Right, darker brown for our chips and the hands and feet. Lovely. Bit of dark chocolate never did anyone any harm. Same for the glass of milk, hand and feet. Now we're going for peachy cheeks. Onto blue to represent our glass. So the outer part is all going to be blue. Carefully going down the sides of our milk. And then we're going for a very pale silver colour, which is almost white, to represent our milk. Carefully going around the facial features, eyes and cheeks. With a small paintbrush, that will do the job. And we're done. Some peachy cheeks there too. And there you have it. Cookies and milk. Oh, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Hey kids, how you doing today? Fancy a nice hot chocolate with marshmallows? Me too. Let's start by drawing the face of the cup. The handle. The saucer. Now little bows which are going to go on our marshmallows. 2 of those. Let's give them faces too. The rest of the cup. Some eyelashes. Gotta have those eyelashes, you know. Darkening up the border, as usual, because we want to make the colour stand out when we paint it. Brilliant! Starting with yellow and pink for our marshmallow bow. Then we're going for a silvery white colour to paint our marshmallows. There! Back to the yellow for the rim of our teacup. And the main part too. Carefully painting around the eyes, the cheeks and the mouth. Side to side. Small paintbrush head so that you don't go over the black lines. Brilliant! Brown now for the inside. That's our hot chocolate. Ooh, yummy! Going for red for the handle. And the tongue. How about a pink mouth and dark pink cheeks? Pink on the outside of our saucer. Blue on the inside. And red. There you have it. Perfect. A lovely cup of hot chocolate with marshmallows. Yum!